Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best handheld vacuum with Hepa filters you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many handheld vacuum with Hepa filters and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each handheld vacuum with Hepa filters, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a handheld vacuum with HEPA filters. First, look for true HEPA filtration that captures fine dust, allergens, and pet dander to ensure cleaner air. Next, pay attention to suction power, as stronger suction helps remove dirt from carpets, furniture, and tight corners more effectively. Battery life is another major factor, because a longer runtime allows you to clean multiple areas without frequent recharging. Also, consider the vacuum's weight and ergonomics for ease of handling and reduced fatigue during extended use. Check the dust bin capacity and how easy it is to empty and clean. Finally, look for additional attachments like crevice tools or brush heads that increase versatility for different surfaces. By focusing on these features, you can choose a handheld vacuum that delivers efficient, hygienic cleaning performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews.